How to schedule bath time, water heater. Click on the information button. Add edit bath time. Click on add new bath time button. Enter the bath time name. Select option for repeat 1 for weekly. Click on OK. Select sunrise go to on option. If sunrise go to on option is not selected, then you have the select bath time. Water heater will start heating 20 minutes before the bath time. Select weekdays for which you want to schedule your device. Click on OK. Now select the water temperature. Click on the save button to add new schedule. Your schedule has been created successfully.